Need a clean, professional logo for YouTube channel, Facebook account, Instagram account, or business? But don't know design? Don't worry, this AI website will do it for you, in seconds. Today on AI Website Hunter, I'm showing you how to create stunning logos with Looka.com, no Photoshop, no skills, no stress. What is Looka? Looka is an AI-powered logo design website that helps you create beautiful, brand-worthy logos in just a few clicks. You don't need to hire a designer or use complicated software. Just tell it your brand name, and Looka takes care of the rest. How it works. Let me show you how easy it is. Step 1. Go to Looka.com. Click Start Your Logo. Step 2. Enter your brand name. Let's say your business is called Tech Vibe or Green Spoon Cafe. Step 3. Choose your industry. Technology, food, fashion, whatever fits your brand. Step 4. Pick your style. Modern, bold, minimal, elegant. Looka asks for your style and color preferences to match your vibe. Step 5. Choose symbols you like. It'll show you icons related to your brand, just click what feels right. Then boom, Looka generates dozens of logo options automatically. Each one looks clean, polished, and ready to use. Customize your logo. Once you pick a logo you like, you can customize it fully. Change fonts, colors, spacing, icons, everything is drag and drop. It's way easier than Canva or Illustrator, and it actually feels pro. What you get. Once you're done, you can download your logo package. Transparent PNGs. High-res files. Brand guidelines. Social media versions. Even business card designs. Perfect for websites, YouTube channels, Insta brands, anything. Why Looka? Whether you're launching a startup, YouTube channel, or side hustle, Looka helps you look legit from day one. No designer. No delay. Just clean branding in minutes. So if you're ready to make your brand look professional, head over to Looka.com and try it for free. If you found this tool helpful, hit that like button. Drop a comment with your brand name. And don't forget to subscribe to AI Website Hunter for more AI tools that make your life easier. Thanks for watching, catch you in the next one.